having a little fun over here at the Villa tent.
So fun.
Looks like fun.
Oh, you're out of here.
Hello gravel gang, welcome to my best and worst gravel race of 2021, Wahoo's Rad Dirt Fest. Beautiful course, amazing views. I can't say enough good things about this ride, but anyway, stay tuned and let's enjoy this ride.
A big shout out to our presenting sponsor Wahoo for both the bike and the ride. Want to give a shout out to Cantu, Charlotte's Web, Craft, La Sportiva, Roots, Paddle Racer, Ruby Project, Stage Loku, Tailwind, The Feed, and another Soul Cyclery. Rolling out here in Trinidad, the inaugural Rad Dirt Fest is underway.
We're off. We started off with a nice climb. I would say it was probably about a mile. Cobbled climb, felt like Pirate Bay. Right in front of me there to the left, that's Vinny. I believe she's the Cantu Wheels racer. I think she's one of the co-owners of that company there. Super strong rider. I saw her at Gravel Worlds. We did the 150. She did it 300, I believe it was, or 200. I think it was 300, and of course she passed us just out of the saddle, just killing the hills. Super legit rider. Here we hit the first gravel section. It rained the night before, not that bad, but I just feel like I was sliding backwards.
Here's going. We started
Look
out
closely there, the pelotons behind me did an alley breakaway. Kidding.
just banging, like double digit, like 3 times in a row. So where we're going.
So about a mile and a half from town, from the start, we hit a gravel section, I think which lasted about 5 miles, maybe less. And then we hit this pavement again. And this pavement goes on until the first checkpoint. You have a nice flat section, maybe rolling hills, and then you have a nice downhill to the checkpoint. This is the last downhill before we hit the gravel. I hit probably 30-40 miles an hour. It was a ripping fast section. The checkpoints at the bottom of this hill. To come back into town for the finish, we're gonna go up this hill again, so I'm definitely expecting that to be painful.
Oh, that was a sweet downhill right there. Woo! Hey, thank you. So I was overheating. I took off the long gloves and the base layer. Time to go. Look at that. So this section is freaking stupid fast. I mean, stupid fast. Look at that. Flat as can be for right now. Let's go, man. You know it. There's been so much flood so far.
So here I run into this guy. He's from Colorado. He's telling me, man, it's been flat for a while. I bet you it's gonna get, climby. I'm like, you bet it is. But anyway, I ended up pulling off, and at this point in time, I was riding with a lady from Texas. I forget what her name was. Super strong rider. We took tons. It was no reason to surf her here in the wind by yourself. So I worked with her. We took turns, and I think it's like we rode together for about 15 miles until the first checkpoint. But this was beautiful. You could see everybody else there not working together. It's like those open plains. You got to work with somebody, help, you know, take a break from that wind. So that's what we end up doing. But yeah, I think she's from Texas. I don't remember what her name was. Anyway, if you see this video, thanks for helping me out. This is really the only muddy section that I remember of the course. You could see me falling back. I had to fall back because I didn't want to be eating that mud from her tires there. But you know, some people complain this was a muddy course. That's really the only mud I would say.
So the wind is real. I'm glad I brought my comfort bars right there, because the wind, it's been like really nice and flat for the last, let's say 6 miles, but the wind is just undeniable. So the view is just amazing. I mean, look at that. As far as the eye can see, it's so flat I can't even see shit. Oh, my bad. Anyway, yeah, that's what we're walking with. The climb is about to start. I think once we turn there, we're gonna be starting to climb. So last checkpoint coming up here for a little while. Colin, I've been riding with Colin all day today, back and forth, but I think he's gonna get me at some point in time. We'll see. 10-mile climb coming up, and then 10-mile downhill. So that's gonna be good. We're about 2 miles in, so into the 10-mile climb. Not too shabby. Almost the top of the hill.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. Having a little fun over here at the Villa tent.
So fun.
Looks like fun.
Oh, you're out of here.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
I had to stop a little bit. My legs were seizing up. But right now, nearly halfway there. So, and I think we're almost done with the 10-mile uphill climb. Whew. This downhill is just, whoo-hoo, by God, by golly, fantastic. And I'm riding with these ladies. They're killing it. That's Lindsay and Maddie, right?
Yeah.
29 to go. That view though is what's really what brought us here today. 29 to go. We have one last big climb. It's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be a mess. There's no way around it. But you only do what you can. You just keep pedaling. Just keep pedaling. That's all it is. Yeah, the cramps have come for me, so I had to take a little break down there over there in that little ditch. What sucks about cramps is when the fitness is there, but they just come and like, yeah. And I've been taking salt like all day today, so I don't know if I pushed it too hard in the last 5 miles. So I'm gonna dial it back, and hopefully no more episodes. Yeah, I have 27 miles to go, so not a whole way to go, but when cramps come to town, it's a whole different scenario. Brings you down back to earth. So anyway, easy does it, I guess.
So this section here, this is a long flat section. I think it was about 5 miles or so. I started cramping shortly after crossing the highway and getting on this gravel section to this checkpoint. The only thing that really kept me from fading away completely was the views. The views were just fantastic.
Hey, how's it going? 21 miles to go. Just, I feel good. The body is like, energy level is good, but I can't, anytime I put any gas on the pedals, the legs start to lock up. So we'll see. Well, oh man, 17 to go, and the cramps are like, so strength-wise, I feel good. I feel like the fitness is there, but the chemistry in the body is like, no amount of salt is gonna save you from yourself. So taking a break and onwards, one last climb, and it's like killer. Anyway, ciao. Oh yeah, killing it. I'm trying to like fight off the cramps, but you know, it's a battle, you know, but easy does it, all the way to finish. Yeah, these blokes have been going on and off. Look at that guy on the left, his handlebars. They put mine to shame. But he's killing it though. Well, eventually you make it to the finish line. Almost there. So beautiful. Thank you. Hey.
Thank you for watching and coming along for this ride. Please hit the like and subscribe button so that other viewers like yourself can find this content. See you in the next video.